matalino lutong lang. Oh, they get big. According to what I watched from Thailand, those scorpion that they were selling, cook it. Goodness gracious! I haven't saw yet here scorpion that is big. I want mango again. They are poison.
Biktimata no nila eh. At nadamnad ka ng mga nakakapag ka ng nila eh.
I want mango. But am I gonna eat it all? Nah? Yes, it is. They can kill if they get bite. Goodness gracious. Look, they are down to one roll of fence wire. Goodness. The diamond? The one that is here? The diamond? Is that what you're saying? Did the scarf fall out of here? It came from inside of the wood. The one that is in the fire. Gargaraw ito pang. Kanta.
Ghost Mix Remix.
I must be crazy. To whisper in your ear. Mahal? Sige lang. Remember those bougainvillea? They did eat the flower.
Tapos ko na rin yung trabaho kanina morning, maaga kasi ako nagbakot ng ano, doon sa tabi-tabi.
Why you keep on asking about my location? This life, I'm alive. Hi, Teo. Welcome. Sige, idol. Taapanak sentro. Sige, sige. Driver ka, uncle? Driver ka? Driver ka ba? It's all right. Thank you, the Lord. Madi ay. Papanam ka rod ka makitchen daw? Tricycle driver. Ay, so can you come to Uganda? If you gave me like money for that, why not? But if I'm just gonna go there, sus goodness gracious, what would I'm going to do in that? I'm just wasting money. Just wasting time over there. I can't reach this side. I'm alive. What I'm going to do there? Can I give you money? Yeah. Give to mama, babe. Babayaran kita sa South Africa. I smell like fish sauce. Tomorrow, I'm alive. I can reach me.
Personal na ako.
Na?
Di ba ba?
Hi, Atiana. Good morning. They don't have a class today. Kain ka mo pa ka tuwing Sabado? Sabado.
Kaya ano man, ang Bernes, Parents Day.
Biyernes, Parents Day.
Lunes, graduation.
Parents Day. Biyernes.